Can we download Snapchat Spotlight video without Watermark? Hello everybody. Today in this video we are going to find out, so let's just get started. For that you may open up Snapchat, and then once you open up Snapchat you may head over to the bottom right corner in order to open up your Spotlight. So once you locate up the video that you would like to download, let's head over to the search bar in the bottom, tap on it. And once you head over the search bar in the bottom, in order to download the video, here you should be finding option called share to. So right in this option link, you may head over to the right, you may swipe right, and then you should be finding option called download. Tap on it, and once you do that, it will start exporting the snap. Once the video is exported, you may locate up the video in your device. And then when you open it up on your device video, so here you can see we have the watermark at the top, Snapchat and everything. So unfortunately there is no such legal way that will allow us to download Snapchat's video. So if you're looking for Snapchat's video to be downloaded, the only way is that. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and thank you for watching this video.